If you're facing a problem where you don't know how to fix Max HP or cannot create an account, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're connected to a stable and fast internet connection and try restarting your router or switching networks. You want to simply go ahead and use a supported device and browser and use the latest version of supported browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge or Safari. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and clear cache and cookies from the browser settings. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxies, make sure that you have turned them off and try it again. Also, Max might not be available in your region. Simply go ahead and confirm the availability in your country and use a valid email address in order to go ahead and create an account. Also, create a strong password. You need to meet the requirement of 8+ characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbol, and avoid using common passwords. If nothing works, simply go ahead and try again later. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.